This was Lance Shirkus. Chris said, "You have a ticket?" I said, "Yeah, I left early." He goes, "Well, your name was called for the Price Right season ticket holder of the Patriots Cup." And then one night I was here, and they called me. How much you win? $25. Go to one on University? Price Right over
Leading off the 8 for Louisville.
Any Costco's yet? No.